Hey guys, good morning, happy Monday. So a lot of you guys actually have requested that I do vlogs, so I don't know, we're gonna try this out and see if I could do like a weekly vlog and see how it goes. I've tried them in the past, didn't love it, but I think now that I work from home it'll be easier for me to vlog because you can see what I'm doing in my just day-to-day life. So it is Monday morning, it's like 10 o'clock, almost 11 right now, so about noon hour. Didn't really feel like getting dressed or anything today because I pre-filmed a bunch of videos this weekend, so I have tons of content. So I think today is just gonna be like a comfy like editing day so I can edit all my videos, which will take a decent amount of time, and then we'll see. I'm gonna try and pick up. I want to organize my makeup, so that's what's gonna go on today. I've actually already had like kind of a lazy morning, but my husband wanted to make a crock pot meal today, so he's like, let's go to the store and make something. So we actually decided to make, I'll show you guys. This is gonna be ribs, and we put like Dr. Pepper in it, and then that's pretty much all you need is ribs, Dr. Pepper, and then you'll just put barbecue sauce when they're done, so that'll take a long time. So we'll have that for supper probably. So we got that ready. We've actually decided to watch a movie this morning, so we actually rented Toy Story 4. Just got done watching that. It's so cute. I was literally crying at the end. I'm a huge Disney fanatic, so I love watching Disney movies, and I hadn't seen Toy Story yet. It was so good. I definitely think that's probably the last one, which is sad, but I don't know, I loved it. It was good. I'm going to Disney World in February, so that just made me really excited. By the way, if you ever see this, you're like, what's going on back there? Our house is like under construction. It's been like this for a while, but we've basically torn apart. Our walls were like plaster and lath, so we took that all apart, so that's what that is. It's just the bones of the house, and then eventually we're gonna put drywall there once we have time. It's been a slow process, so if you're ever like, your house looks very odd, I know, it's fine. It's just an old house that we're renovating, so we have the whole downstairs is fine, but we're pretty much gonna redo the whole upstairs. It just takes forever because we never have time to do it, and my husband works every other weekend, so it's like but we still want to like have a life and not just work on our house 24/7. So that's why it's not the cutest, but it is what it is. I'm actually at my computer here, and I decided to actually start doing some Disney planning, because since I was talking about it, it just got me excited for my trip. So I don't have to put a video up until later tonight. Most of you guys said you like to watch YouTube in the evenings, so I'm gonna upload weekdays on the evenings and then weekends in the mornings, because a lot of you guys said that works for you. But so I finally decided to book my flights, and I am like over the moon because I got a great deal. They had a direct flight from Des Moines, Iowa, which is where I fly out of, to Orlando. What? So crazy. There's usually not a direct flight, and it's usually crazy expensive, but they must have just added it because like there was none of the seats were taken yet. So it was only $250 a person. What? Although it's Frontier Airlines, so you do have to pay a lot for checked bags, but I don't think we're gonna do any carry-ons, so I had to pay like $30 for one checked bag because I think we're just gonna share one to make it as cheap as possible, and then you have to like buy your seat, so we just got the cheapest seats in the back. So I'm pretty pumped. It came about to like $300 a person with all that added stuff, so really not bad at all for two people. So I'm very excited about that, and since it's a direct flight, we're gonna get there at like 2 p.m. and then we leave on a Sunday at like 5 p.m. so I think it sounds pretty perfect. So now I'm gonna try to like look at the plans I've made. I've scheduled some dinner reservations. You have to like, I don't know, it's kind of stressful because you have to have all these things scheduled, and it's really hard to work around like my husband's work, like sleeping schedule, because he works like nights. So when we went to Disney last time, we would always go to the parks early in the morning, and then we would take a nap, and then I'd have to wake him up for dinner, and he was always grouchy. So I think I'm gonna try and book early dinner so that he could maybe try to stay up throughout the day and then go to sleep at night. So we'll see. It's just, it kind of sucks you have to have all these things ready, but I'm gonna try and figure out dinner reservations and what days I want to be in each park, because we're there Tuesday through Sunday. So I'm gonna try and figure that stuff out. I love planning stuff like this. It's like, it makes me happy. I should be like a travel planner. I can't book our like fast pass tickets, which is the ride tickets, until like December, so I still have a little bit, but I just want to get all this stuff figured out. We're staying at the Coronado Springs Resort. I wanted to go something moderate to cheaper. We stayed at the Boardwalk last time, but the prices have gone up significantly, and I'm like, I cannot afford that. So we're staying at the Coronado Springs, which is a decent price, and they have brand new rooms. We're staying in the, I think it's something tower. I wonder if it shows me on here. Yeah, the tower, which is literally these rooms just, this tower just got added this year, so the rooms are so like luxurious and just really nice and new. So I really wanted to stay there, and the price was really good. Plus I booked it when it was a little bit more expensive, but then they had a discount that was 25% off. I saw them like 2 weeks ago, and Disney's really good about this. If you call them, they will give you that price, and you can change your like bookings anytime, at least until it gets really close to your stay, which I love about Disney. So if I decide, oh, I don't want to stay here, I want to stay at something else because it's cheaper, you can do that, because the prices change a lot. They always offer discounts if you wait when it gets closer. So I love that about them. So I ended up saving like $300 on my reservation just because they had for changing it. So I was really happy about that. So I think it's gonna be good. I think I'm gonna stay with that. The only thing I'm nervous about, maybe if you guys are Disney experts, you can help me, but I feel like it's a really busy hotel. It's a big one. It's like one where they have conventions, so there's a lot of people. I just don't know if the buses will be slow, but I think it will be okay. I didn't have any problems last time, and then it was nice staying at the Boardwalk though, because it was in walking distance to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. But it's gonna be fine. We'll just take the bus. I don't mind taking the bus. So yeah, that's where we are staying. Let me know if you guys have stayed there, if you have any experiences. So now I'm gonna go try and figure out what days I want to be in each park and try to figure out all my dinner stuff. So let me know. Of course, I'm taking any recommendations for dinner spots. The only ones I really want to go to so far is I want to go to a breakfast one. I'm thinking of Crystal Palace one day, and then I definitely want to go back to Ohana's. That was really good. A lot of people say that the quality has gone downhill, but I just remember when I went there, I loved it. It was my favorite thing. So I do want to go there maybe for my birthday. And then Le Cellier Steakhouse, I think I'm planning on going there. So let me know if you guys have any recommendations of things I must do or must book for lunch or dinner. I'm thinking about, and I'm not sure, the Coral Reef restaurant that's in Epcot. They have like, it's inside of an aquarium, and my husband loves fish. So I thought that one would be cool, but I heard the food's not good. But I'm like, maybe it's still worth it for like lunch or something, just to get the experience. So any tips are appreciated. I'm sorry that this vlog is going to be heavily Disney themed, but since this is my life, this is what I'm thinking about today, and I want as much advice as possible. It's so funny because I feel like one of my dreams would be to be like a Disney blogger, but all these Disney bloggers always live in Orlando and go all the time, and I don't get to go very often. But that would be a dream for me, is to be just like a Disney influencer. Anyways, let me get back to this plan. Package that just arrived from Rimmel. I won't spoil it on here, so you guys will have to watch my next PR haul. I just filmed one yesterday, so this one will go up in a couple weeks, but I know this is a Halloween package, so I'm like, I don't know. I think it'll still be fine even if Halloween's over, but yay. I'm at the computer right now. I just got done editing my Sephora haul, so that's gonna go up tonight. And then I've been working with someone on Etsy to make me a little channel intro video that a lot of people have, you'll see on YouTube, but I kind of wanted my channel to just come off a little bit more professional, so I'll show you guys the first rough draft. I'm just having it change a little bit, but I'll show you what it looks like. I'm super excited to finally have an intro, and I might make a new outro, and then I wanted to make like a new channel banner eventually, but I just want it to come off a little bit more, I don't know, professional, since this is like my job now. Hey guys, okay, so I just started trying to organize my makeup room again and doing laundry. Tyler's here too. I made him put on my Jeffree Star tracksuit because honestly it looks so much better on him. Like literally it fits perfectly. On me, it's like so long. Tyler's tall, so it looks perfect, and he looks like he should be on the Shane and Jeffree series because everyone wears their tracksuits. So I just had to vlog that because I thought it was funny. But I don't know, Tyler's watching YouTube videos and I need to get back to cleaning, but I just thought I would show that little clip because I just thought it was funny. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I didn't vlog yesterday. I don't know, I probably won't vlog every single day during the week just because I don't want these videos to be like crazy long, but pretty much yesterday I just had a photo shoot at Pulse for a couple hours, and today's like a work day. So this morning I edited a video that's gonna go up tonight. It's gonna be a testing out Believe Beauty makeup, which is really exciting, so that will go up tonight. I need to put it up hopefully when I get back. And then most of my day is TJ Maxx filming. I go to TJ Maxx a few times a week and film. So it's kind of nice that I can do this full time now, because when I was doing it before, I would get home from work at like 4 o'clock and then go to TJ Maxx and not get home until 10 p.m. So it was a lot and it took a big toll on me and my relationships. So it's just so nice that now I can go and it's work for me and I don't have to worry about anything, so it's really nice. But yeah, when I go to TJ Maxx, I go to 5 stores and it's like a whole ordeal. I don't really make stops anywhere. I just go to the stores and go home. So that's how I always find stuff. Anyways, I just put some very light makeup on today just because I wanted to wear a little bit of something but not too much. As you can see, I just hopped out of the shower a little bit ago. It was a washing hair day. I used my Briogeo banana and coconut conditioner and it makes my hair smell so good. I love it. And then for my makeup, I just have a BB cream on. This one's from Pure Lisse and it's so pretty. So I did BB cream. I have just a brow gel on, and then I have on some highlighter. This one's from Charlotte Tilbury, because I feel like with very natural makeup, highlight always looks just really pretty and makes your skin glow. And then I have mascara, concealer, and I brought my lip oil with me. That's not my lip oil. I think I brought it with me. Yeah, this one's from Wonder Beauty, the Lip Retreat in Skinny Dip. So that's what's on my lips, just very neutral shade. A nice kind of glossy finish, so I brought that with me to retouch. But yeah, we're gonna spend most of the day going to filming TJ Maxx, and then we'll see if we find anything. Who knows? And then I'm gonna go hang out with one of my friends tonight. We're gonna go to dinner and go to a movie, and I'm so excited. We're gonna see Maleficent. So I've been wanting to see that, and it's like the perfect time right before Halloween. So I never go to movies, which makes me really excited, and I never get to hang out with, her name's Stacy, because she's always busy. She works like 2 jobs, plus she volunteers at the hospice house, so she's always crazy busy. So it's nice when we can have time to hang out. So maybe I'll vlog that, maybe not, I don't know. I'm always weird about vlogging with other people just because I don't want them to feel uncomfortable. So that's the plan for today. Hey guys, it is Saturday now. What do you guys think of the vlog so far? I don't know, this is why I don't vlog, because I just feel like my life's really not that interesting. I hang out at home a lot. I don't do a lot of stuff outside. I don't know, I'm not a social person, so oftentimes I'm more of a homebody, so a lot of times I don't leave the house unless I'm filming my TJ Maxx series like I am now. And right now I'm like out and about, and sometimes I'll stop at stores since I'm in the area. So yeah, it's Saturday today. I kind of woke up later. I just had the worst earache ever. I don't know, my ear's just like in a lot of pain, so I took Tylenol this morning and I feel a lot better. So I decided to go ahead and film today. I was gonna skip it, but I was like, whatever, like I have nothing else to do. My husband went to ride his Razor with some friends, so I'm just like, whatever, I'll just go to TJ Maxx and stuff because I have nothing else to do, and I like to go on Saturdays sometimes. So that's why I look like this. I just brushed my hair, got out of bed, and ran up here because I usually like to get here when the store opens, but I was a little bit late today, so I think I'm gonna stop at the mall real quick. I wanna check out Sephora. I know their VIB sale is starting November 1st, so I wanna check out a couple things, maybe swatch the Huda Beauty palettes if they have them, see if it's something I'm interested in getting. And then I do wanna check out Bath & Body Works real quick. I don't wanna spend too much time there just because I'm ready to go home, but I'm gonna check out Bath & Body Works because I heard they have some new holiday stuff and I wanna show you guys that. I probably won't buy anything though because there's just not a lot of good sales today. So that is my plan today, and then I'm getting Chipotle because I am craving Chipotle so bad. Then my husband and I are going to his great grandma's birthday party tonight, so I probably won't vlog there, just don't feel comfortable with that. So the last time I did vlogs, which was a while ago, I stopped doing them just because I feel like people were kind of mean and they just felt like they knew my life from a 10-minute vlog, which is like 1% of my week. You know, I just don't want people judging me, and it was just very hurtful, and it's like there's so much more going on that I'm not gonna film. This is just for fun. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna test it out, but if it happens again, I'm just gonna have to stop because it's not worth my happiness, if you guys know what I mean. Anyways, enough with this. So let's go to the mall and see what we can find. Alright, so I definitely want to get these during the sale. I want to get the Huda lipsticks in a prom night. I like this girls trip one too, and then the wedding day is really pretty. Is that what that is? That's not right. That's girls trip. That's wedding day. These are the swatches. The far right is prom night, so I definitely want that. I think I'm gonna skip the girls trip, and then I'm gonna get wedding day, which is on the left. They have one of the Patrick Ta blushes in, but I think they're supposed to have more. Maybe they're still getting them in, but I definitely want to get one. This one is She's Sincere. So it looks like they're supposed to get the other ones in soon. They don't have the lip creams yet either. Alright, it swatches pretty light, so I don't know if I'm a huge fan of that shade, so we'll have to see the other ones that come out. I really want to get this Cover FX bronze palette, but these have been sold out since like August. Like, I don't understand what is going on with them. They never restock, and I want this so bad. I heard it's really good. I think I have one of these. Is this one I have? No, I think I have Mohawk Mob, which is gone, but I really like these. It's just a shame they won't restock. I don't understand. It's like the Tarte Found Sealer Foundation is on sale. This one's pretty good if you guys have dry skin. It's very hydrating, so it's on sale for, it looks like $29.25, so $10 off. This Tarte palette's on sale too. This is something I wanted like in the summer. It's $10 off as well, but I don't know, I used to want this, but now I'm just like, I think I'm gonna pass because it's very summery, and I just don't think I'll get a lot of use out of it right now, but it's so cute. Here's the nude obsessions from Huda that I was thinking about, but a lot of you guys convinced me otherwise that I don't need them since I already have this palette. So it's very similar tones, so I think I am gonna skip on these and get the Mercury Retrograde palette. But yeah, they're just a little too similar. I originally wanted these two. I do want to get one of the Lunar Beauty palettes, but I don't know if I should do the, what is this one? The Strawberry Dreams, or get the Witch one from Manny, his line. I want to try it for sure, so you guys will have to let me know which one you think. It's very pretty. They don't have the other one in store yet, but I could definitely order it online because I think it is online now, but let me know. Alright guys, I am back home. I have a few hours before the birthday tonight, so I guess I'll have to put on makeup and see if I want to upload a video today or not. I actually stopped at Victoria's Secret as well. I think it is so crazy how Victoria's Secret constantly has to have sales now, because I feel like nobody likes them anymore, or at least the Victoria's Secret pink line. It's kind of going like very out of style, I guess, which is crazy because it used to be everything. Like, everyone was obsessed. They were doing so well. They never had sales, only like the semi-annual sale, and now they have like 40% off every day. It's crazy to me, and now I'm like, oh wow, I wasted so much money on these leggings paying full price, and now I just bought 3 pairs for 40% off. So I needed some new leggings because I go through them so fast because my cat, he always like rips them like from his claws on accident, so I always have to buy new ones. So yeah, they had 40% off if you buy 2 or more things, so I bought just 3 pairs of leggings, which is in there. I am so hungry, so I'm gonna eat my burrito bowl that I picked up at Chipotle here, which looks incredible. I am obsessed with these, and I got a steak one instead. Usually I get chicken, so I'm trying their new steak, which seems pretty good. So that is the plan for today. I don't know if I might vlog tonight, we'll see, and then I'll probably try to have this up next week. So see you guys later.